I have stumbled on a new issue. I have to redo all this paneling because I'll show you why. And it's actually a very big issue because I put this in untreated. It has started to grow mold. Never seen that before. You can see it. Yeah, it's a mistake. It's not that expensive of a mistake. It's not everywhere, mostly in front. But I'm gonna redo these in better wood and treat them before I actually put them in. Alright, my first mistake was using a hardboard, which is a sort of cardboard derivative and very susceptible to moisture. Therefore, it took in moisture and it started to grow mold. First change, material choice, which is a lot better now. I started working with plywood, which is wood and doesn't rot that easily or get any mold or such. Cut them to size again. So I treated them with a yacht varnish. I don't know, the stuff they use on boats. Then I sanded the part that was going to be visible. Put some primer on it and then we'll paint it black later. That way no moisture can get in and it should be fully sealed. No more mold, no more shit. That'll probably work best. I know it was a stupid mistake, but I will not be making that mistake again. As it turned out, last week it needed a new battery. So I bought one, put one in, and now she starts without issue. The problem was the battery, nothing else. It's not a difficult fix. It is kind of an expensive fix, but she works, and that's the most important thing. Oh, windy. So during the first drive, I found out that the air conditioning isn't working properly. What I mean by that, all in all, actually works fine. The AC works, but there's a little dial over here. Goes from 0 to 4. Basically the settings on the air conditioning, and they don't work properly. You have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 does nothing. 1 doesn't do no. 2 no. 3 no. And then we come to 4. So getting a mechanic to fix this is expensive, even though the actual fix looks like this, which is about 10 euros, even cheaper sometimes. That's it. I just have to find where it actually goes. How hard can it be? This thing right here is what we need to replace. So let's just pull it out. Let's see. Ugh. Yes, that looks old. See if this works. It works. That's 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That was a damn cheap fix. New battery, new panels, AC works. That's the way it should be. Step by step, every day she gets a little bit better.